Forgotten screen time passcode. Don't worry, there are ways to get back in. First, if you've set up screen time with your Apple ID, you can try resetting the passcode. Simply go to Settings, tap Screen Time, and choose Change Screen Time Passcode. From there, select Forgot Passcode, and follow the prompts to reset it using your Apple ID credentials. If that doesn't work, another official option is to restore your iPhone from a backup. However, this requires you to have a recent backup saved, and keep in mind that restoring will revert your device data to the point when that backup was created. But what if you don't have a backup or can't use your Apple ID? That's where a trusted third-party tool like MagFone iPhone Unlock comes in. MagFone offers a dedicated Unlock Screen Time Passcode feature that safely removes the screen time lock without requiring the passcode, and without erasing any of your personal data. It's straightforward to use. Within minutes, you'll regain access while keeping everything on your device intact. No stress, no data loss, just a quick solution to get you back in control of your iPhone.